This next one, we do have the fraction right there. Please don't let the fractions intimidate you. I say that because fractions can destroy lives, but we are distributing this 1/2 into the parentheses, okay? And again, distribution is multiplication, so that means I'd have to take the 1/2 first and multiply it by 8b. Just remember, if you put this in the calculator, put parentheses around your fractions like this, okay? Now, some of you may not need it. You know it's just half of an 8b's, which would be 4b's. So the calculator is going to give you the same answer. And then also we have 1/2 times that, that'd be positive 20. But again, in the calculator, we're going to put this in parentheses. 1/2 times 20 is positive 10. Since it's positive, I'm going to show a plus sign between the 4b and the 10. And now I can take that 50 equals and drop it, and this gives me the new equation. So here's something else to think about is if we were to take this equation, let's say that we had started with this equation, you would have been like, hey, that's pretty cool, I can do that one. 2 principles of equality and we're done, and that's true. But we had to start with that first part. So it's not like it's harder work, it's just more work because we let the calculator do that for us. So proceeding here, now 2 principles of equality, like I said, this will solve the equation. So I got that plus 10 with my 4b's. I'm going to zero that out by subtracting 10 from both sides. On the left then, I've got 50 minus 10, which is 40. Then the 4b I can drop. And then 10 minus 10, it's zeroed out exactly like I wanted to happen. I forced that to happen. And then I can take my 4b's and simplify that into 1b's by taking that 4 coefficient in red and dividing it by itself, 4. But if I do it to one side, I need to make sure to do it to both sides. So 40 divided by 4 is 10. This should be my solution, but I'm going to go back up to the top. I'm going to say, well, I think b right now should be 10. I'm going to check for truthfulness. So in my calculator, I type in 1/2, parentheses, 8 times 10 plus 20, and I push enter, and I get 50, which is what I was expecting. I was expecting that because just looking at my work, it looks like everything looks good. And I can proceed from there. But again, that was because we found that if you replace the b with 10, the equal sign is a true statement.